If you've fallen behind on your taxes, you know that the IRS is coming for their money, and they'll get it too. By garnishing your wages, seizing your bank account, maybe even taking your home or business. They call it enforced compliance, and you'd better watch out, because the penalties and interest alone can pile up, making it seem impossible to ever get out of debt. Thankfully, there's good news. Listen to these real-life stories from people who also thought there was no way out until they called Optima Tax Relief.
And I was on the verge of tears because I had just gotten another letter from the IRS stating that there had been unreported income for several tax years. I tried to call and get it resolved. I needed to get this resolved because I knew it wasn't going to go away.
It all started when I broke my back and I couldn't work. I owed the IRS about $125,000. Then when I tried to resolve my tax issues with the IRS, they just wouldn't listen. It was horrifying.
My problem was I hadn't paid my taxes in 8 years. I was trying to take on the IRS by myself. I was very angry most of the time because I'm getting these letters, constant letters here and there. I have 5 children, I'm trying to take care of my kids, and a lot of stress.
Don't go it alone. You need to call the experts at Optima Tax Relief now. Optima's tax professionals can reduce the stress in your life by helping you resolve your tax debt right from the comfort of your own home. Optima is America's most trusted tax resolution firm, having resolved over $1 billion in tax debt for their clients, and they can help you too.
I had had almost 10 years of trouble with the IRS trying to get my taxes taken care of and was unable to do that by myself. Had called several other places trying to get help and just was not able to get what I was looking for.
They gave me no option there. They speak in tax terms, which I don't know anything about. Payer, we're gonna, take your house, put a lien on your bank account, garnish your pay. They don't care, they're gonna take your paycheck.
I was just distraught. I couldn't pay the amount they wanted me to pay because I wouldn't have been able to live, pay my rent, eat. And I wasn't trying to avoid them. I was trying to do the best that I could, but that wasn't good enough. So I knew I needed help.
So if you owe back taxes, the smartest thing you can do is call Optima Tax Relief. Optima specializes in the Fresh Start Initiative, a powerful IRS program that could save you thousands if you qualify. Optima has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and they get results.
I saw a commercial, Optima Tax, and I was like, I'll give it a chance. Optima Tax, they helped me, they calmed me down. They made me feel comfortable, and I trust them. They were so professional towards me, and I appreciate them for that.
When that first call that I made, I was immediately put at ease. I started to feel like there was hope. These people really do care about resolving this.
After I made the call to Optima, my confidence was built based on how they handled it, based on the letters coming from the IRS, based on the letters coming from Optima. I knew at that point that this was going to be done.
One call to Optima helps start the process to stop the demand letters and stop aggressive collection actions. They get to work immediately, fighting to protect your paycheck, your bank account, and your assets. They'll stand between you and the IRS and help you get the best deal possible.
They sent the paperwork in for the debt to be cleared, the liens to be taken off. Now I'm a happy camper now. If you owe the IRS, don't go it alone. Give Optima Tax a call. They can help you.
The day I opened that resolution letter up from the IRS and I read it, I just couldn't believe how good it felt to see that resolution. I don't know why I waited so long.
The day that I got the call that this has been resolved and this is what the final resolution is, I just can't believe it. I was just speechless. I can breathe now. I don't have to worry about those type of things. I can enjoy spending quality time with my granddaughters. I am absolutely a satisfied customer with Optima Tax Relief.
Wouldn't you like to get a letter like this? A document from the IRS that officially resolves your tax problems and a huge savings if you're able to qualify. Call Optima Tax Relief, America's #1 tax resolution firm. But don't wait until it's too late. Call Optima now for your free consultation.
Take the first step towards putting your tax problems to rest. Optima's tax associates are standing by ready to assist you today. For a free consultation, call 800-536-0734. That's 800-536-0734.
Optima Tax Relief.